Welcome back to Essential Accessories, your source for finding everyday carry items such as wallets, cell phone cases, pocket knives, and gadgets. Everything that you might have or need in your pockets, travel bag, or desk. Last week we did the unboxing for the Rfid 24 karat gold wallet, and today we have the Ekster 18 karat gold wallet to unbox. If you missed last week's video, I'm going to put a link to it at the end of this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, that way you don't miss out on any more videos like you did last week's. I say last week's, but I was so excited to get these videos out that I posted the Rfid one a half a week early, so that way I can get this one posted early as well. You are welcome. This is the 18 karat gold extra minimalist card holder wallet unboxing, so let's get straight to it. It arrived in this yellow bubble mailer, and inside was this bag. This bag is kind of cool looking. I'm probably going to repurpose it to hold our mountains of pens in the kitchen junk drawer. And speaking of junk drawers, my wife thinks that junk drawers are just a southern thing, but I grew up in the north and we had one. Let me know in the comments what state you're in and if you have a junk drawer in your home. You know, a drawer full of things like pens and envelopes, potato chip bag closers, keys that you forgot what they go to, instruction books for stuff that you no longer own, that kind of drawer. Okay, so here is the wallet, and I've also got a money clip because they had a promotion going on where if you spend at least 50 bucks, you get a free cash clip. This is the box. It's really nice looking. It's got the logo on the front. The back just says that it's the Ekster aluminum card holder, 18 karat gold. It says that it was designed in the Netherlands and assembled in China. The wallet pulls out from the top, and look at that. That's a nice looking 18 karat gold pleated wallet. The bottom of the packaging says, "Here at Ekster, our mission is simple. We're in the business of making people's lives easier. We aim to improve the way that you carry your belongings so you can focus on what really matters." And then there's a link to the user manual, but seeing how there's literally only one single button on this wallet, I doubt a user manual is going to be necessary. This is the cash clip that comes with it. It's got a nice mirrored finish on a darker tinted metal. The website doesn't actually say what kind of metal, it just says that it is metal. So if you want to get the cash clip by itself, it's $29, but right now it's on sale for $19. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to get a nice discount on all Ekster wallets and card holders. And now let's get back to the gold wallet. The wallet was not included with their Black Friday sale, so I ended up paying full price of $250. Yep, that was my thoughts too. But I knew there was a lot of people out there who wanted to see a video of these, so I bit the bullet and bought them to unbox for you all because I knew once you saw the video, you would show your appreciation by subscribing. So the wallet is the same as their aluminum card holder, except that it's gold plated and it upgraded the easy access button to a reinforced stainless steel. This part here is a space grade 6061 T6 aluminum with gold plating. You can see the laser etched logo and the name right here on the side. And then on the front, we have the logo on the belt. And then on the back, we have the name on the back plate. All right, look real close. They did a pretty good job with that. Nice crisp lines, good attention to detail. This card holder can hold 1 to 6 cards, and they are RFID protected. I say it'll hold 6 cards max, but if any of them are embossed, which means raised numbering or lettering, then it's going to reduce that, so you may only be able to hold 4 to 5, depending on the number of embossed cards that you've got. You can access the cards by pulling this trigger right here. It shoots the cards up. You take the one that you need, push the rest back down, then when you're done, put it back in, push the rest back down. And you can really tell the difference between this trigger versus their other ones. This one just, it sounds different. It's got that stainless steel upgrading and the quality of this. Listen, stainless steel patented trigger, regular patented trigger. Stainless steel, regular. See, you can hear the difference too, can't you? And just like we did with the gold wallet, we're going to do a scratch test. And yep, it scratches super easily, so you're going to want to be careful with this. Avoid putting this in the same pocket as your keys. This right here is the back plate. You can fit another 1 to 3 cards in here or some cash. You slide it between the back plate and the card holder and it sets in nicely. When you need to access it, you just slide it up with your finger like so, and there you have it. You do want to make sure that you be careful when sliding the cards up from the back plate, because with this gold plating, you don't want to scratch the gold off with your fingernail. And then another thing that you could put in here is the Ekster tracker card. It's kind of like an air tag. It lets you track your wallet in case you misplace or forget it. It fits right here behind the back plate. It does need to charge in the sun for about 1 to 3 hours every other month or so, and it uses an app called Chipotle. I'll be doing a video in a few weeks comparing the AirTag versus the tracker card, so stay tuned for that. All right, now that you've seen the extra gold wallet, if you haven't already, check out this video right here of the Ridge gold wallet, and I'll see you there. And then you can let me know which one you think is better.